Hi, in this video, we will see how we can modify two images as per requirement. Just assume that you are a wedding photographer and you were asked to click the pictures of celebrities who attends the wedding, and there are like two people. For example, let's say our Microsoft CEO and Google CEO. Both of them they attended the wedding, and you did not get a chance to click a picture where both of them they're like handshaking, but you do click their individual pictures. So now let's see how we can use AI to generate a pictures just by using their images, and we can generate a picture where they are like formally shaking. Okay, let's go ahead and let's see how we can do this one. So for this, I have downloaded two pictures. So this is the first one, Google CEO picture, and this is the second one, Microsoft CEO picture, right? So I'm going to upload both of them over here, their pictures. So let's do it for the fun, okay? And to this one. And do remember that if you are using AI with the wrong intentions, so legally there will be some complications around that. So there are like some strict policies around that. So don't misuse the AI for anything. I mean, why we are doing this one to make this series like more fun. Okay, now I have like two images. Okay, let's start with the with our code. So from Google, import GenAI, and we need the key, import the user data from google.genai. We need configuration, so types, and because we are going to use images, so let's have this image library, and from input output import bytes input output, right? Let's get our API key. So this is something we already have seen multiple times. So user data dot get Google API key, right? And then let's also call the client is equal to genai.client API key is equal to API key. This is something we already have seen so far like multiple times, so I'm not going to explain. I'm not going don't want to waste the time of yours. So let's say image one is equal to, let's have our Google CEO image is equal to image, well, let's use this one, image dot open, cool, and let's say image one, and image 2 is equal to image dot open. So let's say our Microsoft CEO picture, cool. Now let's also have a content, a text input, let's say hi, can you please club both of these pics, come on, doing a handshake. Okay, so this is done. Now we'll go to response. So we have two pictures. We have uploaded them here. We have imported here, and then we asked the AI, "Hey, please club both of them." And then, and also I wanted a handshake. So response is equal to so client dot models dot generate content. So we are going to. I mean, this is the last time we are going to use this Gemini model, and from next video onwards, we're going to use the Imagen, and the Imagen library it generates more quality outputs, more quality images. Imagen 4. Gemini 4.0 Flash. Sorry, now Flash preview image generation. It's very hard to remember. And contents is equal to. So what we have a text input. So and then what image one, image two. Okay, config is equal to types dot generate content config response modalities is equal to I'm giving a text and I wanted image. So print response dot candidates 0 dot content dot parts. So once we print this one, now it will we will see that okay, so there is something wrong with the generate content. Gemini, sorry, it's 2.0. I was reading this Imagen. So Imagen library has 4.0. I'm sorry for that. And then here it takes its time, hardly 5 to 10 seconds, which is not long. Okay, so the model has run successfully, and it has generated text. I will create an image showing Sundar Pichai and Satya Nadal. Okay, we even didn't say like who are they. It's all about the generative AI. So it goes into the historical data. It finds like who is the current CEO, and exactly it has done this one. And also it has generated the picture in a binary format. So what I'm going to do, I'm comment this one. So let's copy this one here. So for part in this one, if part dot text is not none, I would like to print part dot text. And also else if part dot, so we have inline data is not none. Of course we have image, so it's not none. So image is equal to image dot open, let's say bytes input output part dot inline data. Okay, so let's say image dot save, I wanted to say like handshake dot png. And also one thing, it's very important to know that whatever the image that it generates for me, the same image it may not be able to generate for you. This is where we are going to fine tune the model in the further scenarios. So this is like a random one every time. This is like there is this randomness. Okay, image dot show. Now let's run this one, and it will generate an image called handshake. Let's see, even I'm like very much excited to see with you guys, like whether this is like really working or not. And okay, so here is the handshake image. Let's zoom out. I hope it comes nicely. And yep, there it go. So this looks so cool, right? So like this, for example, let's say you have an image of your favorite bike, and you yourself is there, and you wanted to generate an AI image where you are sitting on the bike and you are riding, for example, in US or in Europe, or like in front of the Eiffel Tower, or in front of Hyderabad Charminar. You can do all of this by using the AI. So and also one more thing, use AI responsibly. So don't use the AI for with false intentions like adult content generations. That is like really bad. Thank you for watching this video.